Hello, this is my first short introduction video. I just started this YouTube channel to see how much money I can make on YouTube videos like this, without showing my own face. In this YouTube channel I will teach you how I make money in different ways online, and how you can follow me if you are beginner and shy to show your face in front of the camera. Subscribe to this channel and like or comment in the comment box below with any questions you have. If you want to start your own channel like this, feel free to copy what I'm doing. This channel will reach 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. You can grow together if you like. I will show you how exactly you can start your own channel in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And you wouldn't miss future video on how exactly I'm doing it. If you watch this video till the end, I have a gift for you in the description, worth $49. Subscribe to this channel and grab it for free. See you in the next video.